The National Weather Service in Boise has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Harney County until 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:17 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Stinkingwater Pass to Malheur Lake, moving northwest at 50 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Harney County. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and 2-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Stinkingwater Pass, Malheur Refuge Headquarters, Lawen, and Malheur Lake around 2:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Sand Hill, Wrights Point, Fort Harney, and Meadow around 2:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Burns, Hines, Idlewild Campground, and Crow Lifeguard Station around 2:40 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Burnt Mountain around 2:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. When safe to do so, please relay storm reports to the National Weather Service in Boise via local law enforcement or National Weather Service Boise Facebook and Twitter accounts. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Harney, Oregon,